Hi, this is Amanpreet Wahi on your favorite channel Edge Talks, and today we have with us the lovely, the stunner Nikita Datta and the multi-talented designer Shivani. Shivani, your collection looked absolutely amazing on stage. What was the inspiration behind it? And then we'll quickly come to you, gorgeous.
First of all, thank you, Amanpreet. Thank you. I'm so glad you liked it and everybody's loving it. And the inspiration, as I said, I'm in always love with Paris. And again, I've taken inspiration from the Parisian architecture, Baroque style, the moldings, everything is in this collection.
Lovely. Nikita, we just saw you in Jewel Thief, and I've become a fan of yours, and I was thinking, who is this stunner? And today I'm actually getting to meet you right next to you. So you look absolutely divine. How do you feel in it?
You look like the red sun, the diamond in the film. You look like the one that should be stolen. But I feel like a jewel, if I have to put it that way. She's actually made me feel like that. If you see, Shivani has really done justice to making me, stand out, make me feel like I am ready to for any place you want to take me to. And I've said it earlier, the beauty about her outfit is I just think it's so easy to wear, which is something I always struggle with, and I always say that why do girls have to bear the brunt? You don't have men wearing 10 kilo suits. Why do we women have to wear 10-20 kilo lehengas? And here we have something which is gorgeous, which can be worn to every occasion.
Yes, and you were gliding it in. So, everyone, like, I've been walking the ramp since very long. So, everyone thinks that we have it so easy and everything's so easy breezy on the ramp. But what were the chaotic moments going on backstage?
Send them backstage. Whoever says that.
This needs a mini documentary series.
I know.
What happens backstage, what we just went through. I think we're still coming down from that. But I think it's all well that ends well.
Yes.
We're very happy with the way the show's gone and the way we have received such a positive response from everybody. We're really glad about that.
Okay, so just a quick word about Times Lifestyle Week. How was the whole experience?
It was very good. We had so much fun during rehearsals, backstage moments, fights. And yeah, that is like part of it. If you
Of
don't
course,
have it, then there's no fun.
exactly. I was going to say that.
So yeah, a lot of fun. As I said, it feels family for me now because I've been with Times for so many times. I've already showcased like almost 4 or 5 times with them. So I think it's family for me now. So I feel at home.
Fantastic. Nikita?
Well, for me, as she rightly said, I've also had a very long association with Times, so this always feels like home. And I guess there's nobody who does it better than Times when it comes to lifestyle, when it comes to fashion, when it comes to the ramp. I guess they have it all going correctly for them, and it's lovely to be a part.
Absolutely. Shivani, amazing collection. Nikita, drop dead gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.